necessarily precludes any of the personnel decisions that are included in the part that I wanted to strike, and this is why. We could look at those individually, but when I saw this resolution and I had both of them together, there were significantly different questions. They were enough different that I said, you know, I can go for this for sure, but this side over here, I'm not ready to make that kind of a decision. And do you understand what I'm saying? The two pieces are split.
Define the sides that you're talking about.
Pardon me?
Define the sides you're talking about. Two sides. What?
Two sides. Number one and number two. One is the raises and the offset, which I'm for, and I said that. The others, I would consider those separately from this resolution individually, each position individually, but they haven't been presented that way, and that's frequently the way it is with a lot of the resolutions. But I would, Carol.
I don't agree.
That's okay. You can have your say.
It's not proper to have crosstalk, please.
Okay.
Please not do that.
Okay. You also spoke of a potential city EDF person being a division head, and of course that begs the question, head of what? Other people? You're talking about hiring more people besides just that person, just as an example. And Mr. Petucci, would you agree that what I said about the inability to get accurate information because of the difference in the number of employees in 1980 versus today, and the inaccurate information based on interest rates and pension gains from 5 years ago, makes it so that information about the future of those funds is very difficult, or if not impossible, to obtain?
I absolutely would agree that it's almost impossible to forecast what those numbers would be into the future, because you don't know what rates of return are going to be. You don't know interest rates. You don't even know what statewide pay scales are going to be, let alone ours.
Okay, so that was the point that I was making. And I may not be able to get a satisfactory answer that I'm going to say, okay, this is an answer that I have confidence that everybody who's currently an employee, their pension is going to be okay. But I think that we can do better than what we currently have. That's all I have.
Okay, thank you very much. And I hope we can do better in the future, too.
Yeah.